walking Yamava and we're doing the crazy chicken. I have $200 in there, and we're going to do one set dinner with 750. Let's see. So that's where the chicken is. Aggressive. Sorry for the glare. There you go. See what happens. Hello, Yamava. Come on, crazy chicken. Shaky, shaky. Let's go. Come on. It's kind of loud here. $6. Come on, shaky, shaky. Will it go off? Will it reach the bonus line? Will it reach the bonus line? Nope. Didn't even move. Okay, how many more spins? Oh, it only moved one. Come on. Will it go to the bonus line? No. Will it? Yes, it did! Oh my gosh, look at that. That's 100 and 150. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's do this. Come on, multiply. Ooh. Come on, multiplier. We need a multiplier in 100 and 150. Okay, there's already two minors. We need two more minors. Yes! Yes! Nice! Okay, let's do it again. Multiplier. We need a lot of multipliers. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, save it. We need to save. Nice! Ooh, save it, the multiplier. Oh, we weren't able to save it. Oh, yes. Nice. Woo! Woohoo! We still have $50 left, so we'll play the $50. Nice! Thank you, more please. You know, yeah, let's do it back up. Let's more. Oh yes, again! Back to back. Nice. Nice. But we need to have a golden egg. Yes. Ooh, save it. Yes. Nice. Multipliers again, please. Nice. Yes, yes, yes. Big numbers, please. Yes. Save, please. Oh, save, save, save. Yes. Thank you. Multipliers. Yes. Save it. Save, save. Okay. Nice. Wow. That's fun. Nice. It's again. Let's see. Go all the way. One more. Let's do 1400. Come on, back to back to back. Shaky, shaky, please. Can we do a shaky, shaky? Can we do a shaky, shaky? Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go. 1400 or infinity? Let's go. Ah, nice. Go all the way. No. Okay. Yes. Okay. Two more spins. And let's do 375. And 225. Oh, again, 750. Okay, hold on. I have a 60 cents here. Maybe we can do 150. So I can stop at 1400. Last one. Unless, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.